Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. By the way, my next acronyms or abbreviations is related to ATM card all over the world. Yes, ATM card inside the ATM card all over the world. Not only in the Philippines, but all all continents. This is common. Okay, what am I referring to? I'm referring to EMB chip. EMB chip. Now the question is, what is this EMB? EMV stands for. Okay. Before I proceed, I would like to inform that this video or reels is paid promotion label. Paid promotion label. Okay? Okay, EMV stands for Europe Pay. E, letter E. M stands for MasterCard. M. V stands for Visa. Chip. Okay? So, I repeat, EMV stands for Europay MasterCard Visa Chip. Okay? That's it. That's inside the ATM card. Then you cannot proceed without that part, that chip, because no chip, then you cannot withdraw anywhere. Example, if you're in the Philippines, if you open here in Dumaguete, you cannot access in other provinces or Metro Manila without the EMB chip. Then this is to protect the consumers, which is the depositors. So that's it. Simple as that. Again, EMB chip stands for Euro Pay MasterCard Visa chip. That's inside the ATM card. Okay, that's it. Simple as that. Thank you so much for listening in this video. Good morning.